In this video, we'll show you how to safely bleach a white shirt to restore its brightness and remove stains. Whether your shirt has yellowing, dullness, or tough stains, bleaching can help bring it back to life. Using bleach incorrectly can weaken fabric fibers, cause yellowing, or create uneven results. Let's dive into the proper methods to bleach your shirt without damaging the fabric. To bleach your white shirt, you'll need chlorine bleach, a large basin or bucket, gloves to protect your hands, a mild detergent, and access to warm water. For extra safety, work in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhaling bleach fumes. If you prefer a gentler method, oxygen-based bleach can be used instead. Before bleaching, check the care label on the shirt to ensure it's safe to use bleach. Avoid bleaching shirts made of wool, silk, or other delicate fabrics. Inspect the shirt for any colored designs or logos, as these might fade or bleed during the process. If in doubt, do a patch test by applying a small amount of diluted bleach to an inconspicuous area and checking for any adverse reactions. Fill a large basin or bucket with warm water and add bleach according to the label's instructions. A common ratio is 1/4 cup of bleach for every gallon of water. Stir the solution well to ensure the bleach is evenly distributed. Never pour bleach directly onto the shirt, as this can cause uneven spots and damage. Submerge the white shirt completely in the bleach solution, ensuring all areas are evenly soaked. Allow the shirt to soak for about 5 to 10 minutes, checking periodically to monitor its progress. Do not leave the shirt in the bleach for too long, as this can weaken the fibers. After soaking, remove the shirt from the bleach solution and rinse it thoroughly under cool running water to remove any remaining bleach. Wash the shirt immediately in your washing machine using a mild detergent and the warmest water safe for the fabric. This helps to fully remove any bleach residue and ensure the fabric is clean and fresh. Once the shirt is clean, air dry it in a well-ventilated area or hang it outside in the sun. Sunlight can naturally enhance the whitening effect. Avoid using a dryer immediately, as any leftover bleach residue combined with heat can damage the fabric. To keep your white shirts looking bright, wash them separately from colored clothing and avoid overloading the washing machine. Adding a little baking soda or white vinegar to your wash can help prevent yellowing over time. Bleach sparingly to preserve the fabric's longevity. Bleaching a white shirt is an effective way to restore its brightness and remove stains, but it's important to do it carefully to avoid damaging the fabric. By following these steps, you can safely bring your shirt back to life and keep it looking new. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more laundry tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.